Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to force close an application on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So I got Adobe here, and it's not letting me just close it. I just want to cancel out of this. So what you could do is go on down to the little taskbar here, right-click on it, and then go to Close. Otherwise, what you could do is go to the taskbar, type in Task Manager. Now, the shortcut for this is Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. And when you have this open, find the application you want to close. And then highlight it by clicking on it and go to End Task. And that should go ahead and close that. So very easy to do. So you can just press Ctrl Alt Delete and go to Task Manager on there. And you should be able to delete your stubborn apps. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.